If you are seeking for best altcoins on PancakeSwap and Uniswap exchange, then this channel is for you, because every day Expert Studio and especially my team are in search of big plans, and then I will share it with all of you. And in this video I will share an altcoin which is now available on PancakeSwap exchange, and it's the best time for you to take the entry in this token, because right now the price of this token is entirely low and very soon it will grow. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
YOLO token is a community-based project that began as an anti-rug group. The community is active, helpful, and very pleasant to be around. The goal of this project is to have one community-driven token with many partnerships, unique features, and a solid community-chosen roadmap. The YOLO token was created as a means of giving value to and decentralizing the community project. I will also tell you that how you can purchase the token directly from the PancakeSwap exchange. But before that, some important information about the YOLO token. 10% tax on each transaction. In order for the token to allow the community to earn easily and efficiently, basically the team implemented a 10% burn on every transaction. This means that all the transfers you make will be taxed 10%. Therefore, basically the team is going to recommend holding rather than selling. The more you hold, the more you earn. Now, about the 10% tax, how it will basically redistributed. In order for the monetary system to function long term, the team want to optimize the earning potential of this token. Therefore, 60% of the tax will be redistributed to all the token holders. 4% liquidity basically locked for the token to have more and more liquidity in the future. The team implemented a swap and liquidity method in the contract of the token. This means that each time you make a transaction, 40% of the tax goes back to liquidity forever. And fair launch, we did not hold a pre-sale. The team did not hold any type of pre-sale in order to ensure that everyone has equal potential to buy in early. Most tokens will be initially added as liquidity on PancakeSwap, and the LP tokens will burn, as well as 50% of the total supply of tokens in burn. Now the best part about the tokenomics. The entire supply of this token is 1 quadrillion YOLO. Here you can see the entire contract address. Before buying this token, you must have to check the contract address, and I will also share the contract address in the description of this video, and also I will share the website link so you can read all the things. 50% supply will be burned, 44% on the PancakeSwap, and devs only and only have 3%, and DAO 3%. The best part, that the team don't hold much tokens. Here you can see the entire Twitter page of the YOLO token. So if you have any type of questions, simply you can follow them, or you can also follow them on the Telegram, and much more social media is available over here, so you can join all of them if you want to know any type of questions regarding the team. Now I will tell you that how you can purchase the YOLO token. Simply you have to copy this contract address, then you have to go towards the PancakeSwap exchange. You have to connect your MetaMask wallet over here, and be sure that your MetaMask has some amount of BNB to buy this token. Then you have to click on the select a currency, and then you have to paste the YOLO token contract address over here. After this, you have to click on the add icon, and then for example, if you are going to buy it with 1 BNB, you will get huge amount. But before that, you have to do one important thing, that is you have to click over here and you have to increase it with at least 7. It was 77. Not basically, you have to go for only and only 7. The slippage tolerance, you have to move it towards about 7 or 6. Then you can easily buy the token directly from the PancakeSwap exchange. So it's the best time for you to hold this token, because very soon this token will give you at least 25 to 30x in near future. What do you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.